Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a folder within your Google Drive on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Google account, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome. Make sure you are signed into your Google account. Click on all applications, go to the drive, and now go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on new, click on folder. Let's create a new folder. Let's just call the folder work. Create, and there we'll see the folder has now been created called work. Let's click within this folder. And then we are ready to start uploading, moving files, transferring the data from one place to another. So we can now quit Google Chrome, go all the way down to the dock. Again, go to Launchpad, Google Chrome, go to all applications, go to the drive, and there we see the folder. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.